Hi everyone, I'm Clint Maracot, and this video I will be discussing about quadratic equation in one variable. So let's start. What is quadratic equation in one variable? It is a polynomial equation of a form a squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a should not equal to 0 and the value of a, b, and c is element of real at any variable. Why must a should not equal to 0? Because if a equals 0, the remaining value in the equation is only bx plus z equals 0. And it is not a quadratic equation anymore. It is already linear equation. What is polynomial equation? The polynomial equation is the equation formed with the variables, exponent, and coefficient. Quadratic equation in one variable can be determined if the highest exponent or degree of the leading coefficient is 2 consists of one independent variable. The variable can occur in equation with different degree of exponent. Since we already defined what is quadratic equation, let's try answering a problem involving quadratic equation in one variable. Example number 1. Find the solution set of the equation x squared minus 3x equals 0. Since this equation is factorable, the result of x squared minus 3x equals 0 is x times the quantity of x minus 3 equals 0. Our goal here is to achieve the value of x in order to get the solution set of the equation, and the value of x is 0. On the other hand, and the other value of x is 3, and the solution set of the equation is 0 and 3. So let's try another example. Find the solution set of 6x squared minus x equals 12. This equation is also a factorable equation, and the factored form of 6x squared minus x minus 12 equals 0 is the quantity of 2x minus 3 times the quantity of 3x plus 4 equals 0. We will also find the value of x here. 2x minus 3 equals 0 will be result 2x equals 3. Divide both sides by 2 and the result is x equals 3 halves. On the other side, 3x equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 3 and the result is x equals negative 4 thirds. And our solution set of the equation is 3 halves and negative 4 thirds. Let us try a bigger value problem. Find the value of x in the equation 12x squared minus 35x plus 8 equals 0. This third equation is also a factorable equation, and the factored form of the equation is the quantity of 4x minus 1 times the quantity of 3x minus 8 equals 0. We will find the value of x in each term. 4x equals 1, divide both sides by 4, and the result will be x equals 1/4. On the other hand, 3x equals 8, divide both sides by 3, and the result will be x equals 3 over 8. There is an important idea that we must know. Not all equations are factorable. Some equations are not, and we can get the value of x or the solution set using the quadratic formula. What is this quadratic formula? It provides solution to a quadratic equation if the equation is not factorable. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. When a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 and the value of a, b, and c is element of reals where a should not equal to 0. Let's try a problem involving quadratic formula. Number 1. Find the solution set of 2x plus 3 halves equals x squared. This equation is not factorable. We will simplify this equation in order to find a, b, and c. We will multiply both sides by 2 and the result will be 4x plus 3 equals 2x squared. We can already find the value of a, b, and c here. And the value of a is 2, b is negative 4, and c is negative 3. And now, we will use the quadratic formula. We will substitute the value of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. And the result will be negative times the negative 4 plus and minus square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 3 over 2 times 2. It comes up with the answer x equals 4 plus and minus square root of 40 over 4. We will reduce it and the result will be x equals 4 plus and minus 2 times the square root of 10 over 4. And the final answer is 2 plus and minus square root of 10 over 2. And the solution set is 2 plus square root of 10 over 2 and 2 minus square root of 10 over 2. Let us try another example involving quadratic formula. Find the solution set of 6x squared minus 7x plus 4 equals 0. We can already determine the value of a, b, and c here. And the value of a is 6, b is negative 7, and c is 4. We will substitute the value of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula and the result will be x equals negative times negative 7 plus and minus square root of negative 7 squared minus 4 times 6 times 4 over 2 times 6. After computing, the result will be x equals 7 plus and minus square root of negative 47 over 12. Since the value of x is an imaginary number, x is not an element of real. I hope you learned something in this discussion. If you want to answer quadratic equation in one variable, try to answer this given problem. Find the solution set of 5x squared plus 7x plus 4 equals 0.